Imagine this. On one side, you've got superpowers like the US and Israel, and on the other side, a tiny drone that costs less than a car. But somehow, that little drone is changing the entire game of war. Context: 010 to 030. For years, people believed the more expensive your weapons are, the more powerful you are. But now, that idea is being challenged by one name: the Shahed 136 kamikaze drone. Main info: 030 to 110. This drone costs just a few $1,000s, but to stop it, you often need missiles worth hundreds of thousands, even millions. It doesn't just strike instantly, it loiters in the sky, searching for targets, and when the moment is right, it dives down and explodes. It can fly at around 200 kilometers per hour, with a range of nearly 2,000 kilometers.